What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What up, 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 what up? It's your boy Compass 365. I came back with another one. Yeah, I've been gone too long, guys. It's been too long. I've been working on like some other things. I dropped my single. My single is currently on 12K on YouTube, 30K on Spotify. I'm not sure about Apple Music, but go check it out. It's called Money In Tega featuring DTMO and Flex 701. Go support that boy, man. Go support that boy. And for you today, I've got a brand new sample pack. A brand new sample pack. Let me just show you. We got the Combos Amapiano pack 2. Yeah, JP, dog. But in here I included a whole lot more things. If one time, yeah, I've got the chords, the chords. Let me just play you one. Let me find a new something. Let me just find maybe this common access. Khoto ene ke ne papa. Okay, na. Inside. The chords, I put like chords, but you'll check them out. Let me do this. I put these loops, loops. Just a bunch of different type of loops, not your normal piano loops that you normally get. Cause even in this song I used I used a variety of loops, just different type of loops, not like the normal loops that everybody uses. Even in this song you can just hear it's just the different textures of loops, just making a different feel, It's a really different feel. It's a really different feel. So yeah. And so you can do a lot with this if you're creative enough. You can do a lot. Hey, Yeah, I'm a babe. Come on, who be giving you these exclusives, man? Who be giving you these exclusives, man? Daddy, it's only me and my fella. Sir. See, I'll be giving you a whole lot of loops. Here are some of the FXs, but I'm sure you know most of these FXs, so I'm gonna move on. This is the percs. As always, I gotta give you like different types of percs. Not the one that you're used to, I know These ones might be there, but just try to give you more. You know? And the presets. And I wanted to give you the reverse lock drum, but I'm gonna make a sample pack by Mdu sample pack. So I'm gonna compile it in there. I wanted to give you the reverse this one. Where is it? I wanted to give you this one, but I'm gonna make another video with another sample pack, the Mdu sample pack, the 365 Mdu sample pack. So I wanna keep it because I've got a lot of Mdu type stuff. Even this beat, I was trying to recreate the Mdu feel, but it's just that I took into my own feel, but you know, using a lot of the leads, the shakers. Yeah, but you know, mshaka shaka. Also the voxes. And I personally put in my own like voice on these voxes. These ones. But you know, I recommend you chop them up as much as you want. Chop. Cause this is me actually be doing my ridiculous things. You know what I mean? Yes, shaka. Like what? Yeah, but that's mostly it. Oh, and I put let me show you. I put for those, I saw a lot of people don't have this. Let me open this. I want to show you. I put the flex extensions. Let me show you. I put also the flex extensions. You see, I put the flex extensions because normally this doesn't come with these much presets, but if you get a look in the sample pack, you'll find a zip. I'm not sure if the OBS is showing you. Wait, let me do this. Let me do this. And then it doesn't want to show you. Oh, there you go. If you can see, there's a FL Studio Flex extension also in the pack. So, well, W's in that chat. Yeah, but that's mostly it. I didn't do too much. I just wanted to hear from y'all. It's been a long time. Plus, I've been gone. I've been working on my album. I've been working on singles. I've been working also on my event, Combos and Friends. Check it out. Check out my live mixes. But just shout out. And I love the love that I've been receiving from y'all. Thank you guys. I couldn't be doing this without you. Like I couldn't be doing this without you guys. So W's in the chat. And don't forget to recommend what you want to see next. If you want me to recreate something, if you want me to show you something, in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this post. Don't forget to show it to your friends if they need it. Don't forget what else. Oh, go stream my new single, bro. teka imali igcwelele xikwama teka ay teka. Okay, now let me play the last time for y'all, then I'm out. Don't forget to comment on what you want to see next, bros. Broskies. Signing out. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. I know this is.